What's up, girls? I am going to show you today a 5-minute face with a Cloud9 collection. Now, if you don't know what a Cloud9 collection is, you can find it on my website, Heather Hermes Beauty. Go to collections and sets, and it's right there, Cloud9. Okay? The very basics. Now, what I would add on is your Glorious Face and Eye Primer. And let me see. The light. Glorious Face and Eye Primer and a powder puff brush for your foundation. And you'll see why. Now, I put my primer on first, and then I go straight to my eyes. So we're going to do that. Okay, I got enough on my hands. Just put a little bit on my face, eyelids. Okay, and then I'm going to go straight to eyes. 5 minutes, you guys. Okay, so I prefer palette number 3. It gives me a really fast look. Okay, and it has a little bit of a blush color in it. It's not supposed to be blush, but we're gonna break the rules and we're gonna use Tickled as our blush. Okay, I've showed you this palette before, but I just wanna make sure that you guys see how easy a 5-minute face can be. This is Ecstatic. Okay, and I'm just using my natural smoky eye technique and throwing it on my eyelid, and I'm just patting. I'm not swiping. And I'm just taking whatever's left on my brush and throwing it underneath my eye. Now, when we put our foundation, our concealer on, it's going to clean that up. Okay, I have nothing on my brush now because all of the color has been taken off, and I'm just blending that crease out a little bit. Okay, so Ecstatic. Now I'm going to take a fluffier brush, okay, and I'm going to take Smitten and just pat it right on the inner lid right here. Okay, now whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to throw a little bit up by my brow bone for brightening. And I'm blending out a little bit. Okay, so I have some cute shadow on. It's very pretty. I know I'm a little bit of a mess underneath, but we're going to clean that up. Now we're going to go into the foundation. Okay, and the powder puff brush, which is what you're going to add on. I look like I have a black eye. Okay, about 4 or 5 little squirts there. That's about how much I use. Okay, pat on each side, nose, forehead, chin, and then blend it in. And you're cleaning up that under eye too. See, my dark circles almost disappearing. There we go. How many of you have tried this technique? It's really cool because it's fast. And you know me, I like a fast makeup application. We have lives, we have things we need to get to. We have women to inspire. We have books to write. We have jobs to get to that we love, right? Because we're inspired girls. Okay, see how I clean that up? All right, now we're gonna take care of any blemishes that I might have that need a little correcting and my under eye. And that, again, we will clean up underneath, okay? So I'm gonna take my concealer. I wear chiffon, and I'm gonna start through here, okay? See how that brightens it up already? And I don't know what it is, but allergy season, I always get a little puffier. That's fine. I'm glad not to be sneezing. But that's okay. The concealer, when you're puffy and that little dark mark right there, see how I didn't cover it up yet on that area and I did on this one? It helps it right away. And I'm just cleaning up. There's hardly anything on my brush. Okay, a little better, but I need a little more. A touch. Like I hardly put any on that brush. You use too much and you will feel dry and crepey. You don't want to use too much. Okay. So 5-minute face, you guys. We're almost through. Okay, now we're gonna do our brows. Okay, what I'm gonna do first is use my brow gel and just fill in where I need it. Right through here. Okay, I want it to be as natural as possible. Okay, and then whatever the brow gel didn't accomplish, we're going to take our brow pencil and make that line. Okay, I can do short strokes, but if your brow gel is on already, a lot of times you can just make that straight line and then brush it through, and it'll look just as natural as you want it because of that brow gel. So this coming in the set is a great combo. 5-minute face, you guys. All right, I had a little hole there that I needed filling. Now I can go back with my brow gel if I want to and fill in a little bit more if I want them to be fuller. But since we're doing 5-minute face, I think I'm gonna not do that. Okay, so I'm taking that Tickled right here, okay? And I'm just patting right on the apples of my cheek. I love it as blush. It's intense, but it blends so well. I absolutely love it. Okay? Blends beautifully. Tickled blush, who knew? Okay, so 5-minute face. Now I'm gonna throw on my lipstick. I have on Upscale today. Well, I will have on Upscale. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna put on my mascara. 5-minute face, Cloud9 collection. You guys should already have one, and if you don't, go to Heather Hermes Beauty and get one, okay? Love you all. Talk to you soon.